Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. First of all, getting Christmassy with the background, the Christmas tree in the background looking really, really cool. Getting in the Christmas spirit already. First of all, thank you so much on the great support on that last vlog, my first ever away game at Villa Park. It was fantastic. I loved it. I enjoyed it. And the response from the Villa fans was absolutely heartwarming. I loved it. It was great. So today is going to be another match day vlog. As you're guessing by the title of the video, of the thumbnail, it is versus Leeds, Brighton versus Leeds at the Amex Stadium once again. The weather is looking very, very dodgy. Partly the reason why I've got a hat on, new Brighton hat, looking very good. But today it's going to be a really interesting one because Brighton really need to get their act together because we are falling a little bit behind. We are 9th at the moment and we could be in 6th position area if we did win today. It could be really crucial. Leeds are a very, very good team and they're fighting down at relegation area as well. So they're, you know, at that point where they need some points as well. But it's going to be a very, very interesting game today and I'm going to be very, very excited to see it. So let's head on down, let's give you a little montage and let's head down to the Amex Stadium to see Brighton hopefully finally score some goals and win because we really need the points. Now actually, just talking about strikers, we are going to have to do something about that because everything else in our team is really good. Midfield, defence, it's fine. It's just that attacking force. We are not confident at the ball when we're going forward. We need to bring that ball in the box a bit more, have a go. Leandro Trossard needs to take a few more shots. Cucurella, Malpay should be on a little bit more, I think. Let's just hope Graham Potter makes the right decisions today because we really need the points to get back up to where we want to be. So let's go down to the Amex and see Brighton play versus Leeds. Let's go.
Left from the hood and you can't go back. Trained in the ways of the ancient facts. Blazing the pace with the trees all stacked. Making the waves push people back. Push people back. Late to the stage they come. Papers to blaze the punk. Police on the beats we run. High rise, you're not equal chunk. I'm above, you're below us all. No love in the doja fools. Utilize my golden tool. No repentance is overdue. If you're in the block for the whip then raise up a hand with a lighter. Murderous phrases, I'm hyper. Making my way through the night just. If you're in a block or a whip just. Raise up a hand on a lighter. Murderous phrases, I'm hyper. Making my way through the night just. Left from the hood and you can't go back. Trained in the ways of the ancient fact. Blazing the pace with the trees all stacked. Making the waves push people back. People back. Hit the party, stances yoga. Really twisted.
So I'm here with Harry. What do you think the score prediction is going to be, Harry?
I think for today, I think it'll be 2-0 Brighton. I think Malpay and Trossard will score.
Malpay and Trossard to score. Do you think it's going to be a close one, or do you think it's going to be quite a decent 2-0?
I think it'll be decent 2-0, but I think it could be a close one as well. Leeds are a good side and they can produce at their best at some time.
Absolutely agree with that. Absolutely agree with that. Well, I appreciate the interview, and hopefully you'll be on here again very soon at the Amex next time.
Yes. Yeah.
Come on, Brighton, let's go. Okay, so I just heard the lineup today. It is very good lineup. We have Malpay with Trossard up front, working together, hopefully to get some more goals. I think 2 strikers today is a fantastic decision from Graham Potter. We also have Robert Sanchez back in goal. We don't have Jason Steele now because, of course, Sanchez went on a red card for doing that bad tackle in the other game, the other home game. But he's back now, so that's good to see that Sanchez is back. We have a very strong side today and a very good formation. Let's hope that it can give us a win today. Let's just see what happens. So let's get on to the first half and see if we can pull out 3 points against Leeds United. Lamptey, low cross into the middle of the box. Literally Maupay's on his own. Completely skies it. A great opportunity at 7 minutes of the game. Jeez, need to do better there. Looks like he's going all the way. Maupay. Wait, Maupay. Still does it. Maupay skipping around. Penalty ref, surely. Oh. Trossard ran the ball right up to the box. Maupay skipping around players left, right, and centre in the box. Goes down, but referee says no penalty. Trossard looks to go back in the box. He does. Oh. Go Lamptey, shoot.
Hit it, Lamptey.
Oh, ref.
Pull back, ref.
Oh.
Get there, Basuma.
Basuma goes to the tackle. Leeds on the counter attack with Rodrigo. Passes back post. It's gone out for a goal kick. No threat at all. Goal kick. Looked threatening. Didn't end out to be though. 16th minute. Not much at the moment happening. Quite even, but we're looking sharp. We are looking good. Maupay's looking sharp. Trossard's looking sharp. We need the points. We really do. Attack Basuma. Ref. Oh, it's good tackles. Basuma's still got it. Go on, Basuma. Lamptey's got it. Go on, cross it in the box. He does. No one's there. Ball. No, says the ref again.
One more play, mate.
Interesting. Maupay is taken down. That is definitely a foul. Referee says play on. On the counter attack again. Go.
Hit it. Hit it.
Trossard shoots. Oh! Hits the post. Saved. Off of Leeds goalkeeper. Hits the post. Goes out for a corner. That is the biggest shot yet from Leandro Trossard. Wow. Good shot. Cracking shot.
Yes, exactly.
Oh no, he didn't get a hand. He just hit the post. That was close. That was very, very close. Oh my lord. That was close. That was very close. Trossard again with another shot, but an easy save for the Leeds goalkeeper again, straight at him, very low. We're getting there, making more shots, that's what we like. But we need to get a goal, otherwise we could be in trouble, because Leeds are good in the end of the day. Hold on. Oh, hit the crossbar! Hit the crossbar! Literally the corner of the post, and went out. Again. So that's great. 33rd minute. Still no goal. Probably about 6 shots on target now. 5. Come on. Let's get a goal. Let's get 3 points at the Amex Stadium again. It's been a long time since we've won.
I hit the post.
Oh, cross goes in. Literally, right across the goal. No one even puts a foot to it. Lamptey again, he's doing all the work, putting the ball in from the right side into the box. No strikers get the foot on it at all. Oh, it's poor, man. The striking needs to get better. He's put 1 foot there, and that's going in. It is now the 36th minute. Had a couple of sniffs now. Should have gone in, one of them. Leeds, no threat at all really. Maybe one opportunity. Come on, Albion. Let's get a goal. Let's get a goal. Cucurella on the ball. Looking menacing. It's a corner. It's a corner. It's a corner. What? Yes, corner. Good. Good, good, good. Surely now. Surely now. We can get a goal for the Albion. No. Leeds fans are a bit dead, you know. When I was at Brighton at Villa Park, we were chanting. I'm not hearing anything from these Leeds fans. Not at all. Not at all. So this is Gross to take. Corner. Come on, Gross. Come on. We're good at corners sometimes. Get head on it. And it's a free kick. Brilliant. Gross to take the corner. Lamptey beside him. Is he going to do a shot? Is he going to cross it straight in the box? We've also got Basuma outside the box and Cucurella, if need be, if they're doing a short one. Got all the defenders in the box as well. Here we go. Not a big run up from Gross, quite a short one. I think he's just going to chip it in the box. And here he goes. Crosses in, header out. Cucurella on it, volleys it. Looks pretty poor. What? Someone's down, injury apparently in Leeds. Come on, Brighton, come on. There we have it.
So that's half time here.
Half time.
For the second half action on the way.
I mean, listen, we've had attacks, we've had our shots, we've hit the post, we've hit the crossbar a couple of times, we've had opportunities, we've had a couple of good shots, a couple of them have been on target, not hard enough, not really in a good position. I mean, to be honest, we should have scored, if you want to be really harsh about it. But we have, again, played better than Leeds at the first half. We seem to be playing teams, we seem to be playing better in the first half than we do the second. Let's hope we keep that in the second half and actually get a goal. Let's hope Graham Potter has a word with them and actually get them up the field a bit, you know, pressure them a little bit more, because we are pressuring them and we are doing well with it. It's just our finishing product isn't there. Everything else, the build-up is great, just the end finishing product, it's not there. We're going to see what happens in the second half. Hopefully we can claw a win today. A draw, would I be happy with it? I don't know. 1 point, I guess it's not losing, but we would like a win out of this game considering how poor Leeds are at the moment. No disrespect to Leeds, but they are not looking that great. So let's see what happens in the second half, see if Graham Potter changes anything, and I'm sure I will bring you the action when it comes. Yes, yes! In crosses. Oh, punched out. And a foul. Why is it a foul? Come on. Come on. Okay. Great football. Oh, it's gone again. Come on, get back into it. Get back into it. Oh. First little attack then from Leeds. The second half, maybe, possibly. Leandro. Oh, great. Leeds on the counter again. so many opportunities today. Rodrigo's going. Oh, come on, man. We've had so many opportunities. Cucurella, he's got him. Oh, they're on us. No, Suma's got it. Come on, counter-attack now. Counter-attack. Suma's on the ball. He's running up the field. He's gone to Malpay. Go on, Malpay. Go on, Malpay. Yes, he's got around him. Ref! No. Cucurella. Do something, Cucurella. Yes, nice. What? How's he offside? Ay, ay, ay. So many opportunities today. We've played a lot better. Again, the finishing product, our shooting's just been poor. 62nd minute now. I don't know what it's going to turn out to be. Possibly a draw. We'll see. Seeing right now, how many opportunities do you need? Straight in front of the goal.
Should be 3 or 4 now.
Yeah, it should have been 3 or 4. If it's Liverpool, it'd be 6. Albion! Albion! I'm losing my voice today, guys, at the Amex Stadium for the very first time. I've never lost my voice in the Albion, in this Amex Stadium. I don't know what to say.
Well
it's insane. Malpay is looking very dangerous though at the moment. Threatening, he wants it. You can tell he wants it.
Stop scoring for us, mate.
Malpay's off for Locadia. I am so pissed off with that. I don't agree. Malpay's been subbed off for Locadia.
And Neil is being replaced by number 27, Jurgen Locadia.
No. I don't agree at all. Malpay's done a lot more than Locadia ever will. Sorry to say. This is frustrating. Very frustrating. It's now the 67th minute. You've had our opportunities. How many more can we have? Cucurella's the man. Cucurella's the man making all chances. It's Modder on the ball. Cross it in, Modder. Shoot! Lee! Oh! Off the tip. Off the goalkeeper's hands. Off for another corner. Probably the 6th of the game. We have got to score. We have to score now. We absolutely have to. We've had so many chances. We deserve this game. We deserve these 3 marks. Solly march! Solly march! Corner again. Come on, we've had so many. Come on. Gross with the corner. So bad. Some of that. Boom. No, not good. Well, what a game we have had today, guys. let's go on to some positive stuff. Now, I just want to end the video here. I don't want to keep it too long because I do have to edit this. The last video, again, I want to say a massive thank you. I'm going to go for a like target. I don't know how well this video is going to go. Maybe that was just a one-off. Maybe it isn't. Maybe I will get some decent views on this one as well. But, guys, let's get 30 likes on this video. Will be amazing. If we could hit 30 likes is all I'm asking for. That will be absolutely banging. We're nearly at 100 likes on the last one. If we can get 30 on this one, I will be very happy. And it will cheer my day up and cheer this video up as much as we can get it. Guys, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, turn your bell notifications on. That would be massively appreciated because it does help small content creators like myself. The next game will be Southampton away. I cannot wait. It's another away game, so be ready for that. That is not next game. So 2 weeks, I think, till the Southampton game. Very exciting. But next will be another series. It'll be the second hotel. Listen, I know it was filmed in the summer, August time. But I thought it would be better to wait for a good time where I don't have much content to bring out, where I have free time like this, because next week there's not going to be much. So I'm going to put this whole series out for you for the second hotel. If you remember the first one, if you don't, go back and watch them. But of course, you've got to keep in mind, it's not going to be 4K because it's all filmed on my camera. That is the very, very last couple of videos that are going to be on my phone. I do just want to let you know, in future videos in Brighton games and all that, if it does rain, I'm going to have to use my phone because it cannot get wet, so that might be sometimes, you know, sometimes it might rain, sometimes it might not, but we've been lucky today where we can use the 4K camera. But apart from that, the series that will be coming out in a week or so will all be from my phone, so don't be expecting the best quality and the best audio. I am using a Rode microphone, which I'm quite interested to hear as well on this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this interesting, frustrating match day vlog, but I really do hope you have enjoyed. Respect to Leeds and all their fans. They didn't have the best game either, and you could tell by the fans they just were not in the mood either, as well as Brighton were. But Brighton, to be honest, should have come out with a win. I think 3 points, especially the amount of chances they had. But anyway, guys, let's put it on a positive note. I'm going to say it again. Please like and subscribe if you are new, if you've never seen his face before. Like it, subscribe it, turn your bell notifications on. I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye-bye.